The ICC's latest rejection of a petition from the camp of former President Rodrigo Duterte for an interim release and custody transfer to a third-party country has left a sour and bitter taste in the vice president's mouth. Small wonder she is belly aching with her twisted perception of the president's pro-foreigner and anti-Filipino sentiments and the old-school anti-crime deterrent of increased police visibility on the streets. Our Harley Valbuena tells us more.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. stands firm on being pro-Filipino amid two international issues involving the Philippines, the matters concerning the International Criminal Court and the West Philippine Sea. After the Department of Justice or DOJ said it will provide protection for the witnesses on the crimes against humanity case against former President Rodrigo Duterte, Malacanang clarified that this does not mean the Philippines is already directly cooperating with ICC. According to Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro, the government is just assisting Filipinos in obtaining justice.
Tutulungan ng DOJ ang mga witnesses para makapag-testify, para mabigyan ng hustisya ang dapat na mabigyan ng hustisya. Hindi directly makikipagtulungan sa ICC.
The palace also echoed the statement of the Commission on Human Rights or CHR, reminding the public about its mandate to help victims regardless of circumstances and status, especially on cases involving violations of human rights. It can be recalled that drug war victims already requested the ICC pre-trial chamber to reject the urgent request for interim release of Duterte. This is due to concerns on their safety and security should the former president be given temporary freedom. Meanwhile, the palace also has a response to Vice President Sara Duterte's pronouncement that she is not pro any country amid allegations that she is pro-China.
Sabi nga po ni Dr. Jose Rizal, ang hindi marunong magmahal sa sariling wika ay masahol pa sa hayop at malansang isda. Paano pa kaya ang isang Pilipino at isang leader na umaming hindi mahal ang kanyang sariling bansa? Ano kaya ang kanilang amoy?
Malacanang added that President Marcos is proudly pro-Philippines and always made it clear that we will not yield even an inch of our territory. On VP Sara calling the Philippine National Police as old-schooled for focusing on police visibility in streets instead of utilizing modern technology such as drones, Yusek Castro shared the statement of PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III, saying they are already using drones and CCTVs for a quicker response. The Vice President is also welcome to visit PNP so she can see the importance of mobilizing police and communities.
We have already incorporated technologies such as drones and CCTVs in our operations. This had enabled us to build a strong foundation for our quick response. So, ayon dito sa ating PNP Chief, makinig po tayo ng opinyon sa mga taong may sense.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.